Okay, hi Lisa. So I'll do this with the video recording. Delete the photos in the gallery. Okay. So you go to files, you go there. Once you select a photo, you can also select two of them. Then on the top right here is delete selection. But however, you may also change misspellings in going to this section, double click the picture, then go to rename, and then you can change the name. You can even replace the file. So that was one. The font that you're using, okay? If you go to settings, you see typography. So in the heading, you have Yeseva 1. You can change it by going here and select any of these fonts that you want. Or you could go to the font gallery and see them in a preview already. Of course, the text would be paragraph. So the paragraph uses in the moment open source. So next question. On the service page, okay, all boxes to be the same size. By the way, this will not work here. This looks awful. It doesn't adjust the size. You cannot read anything. What sense does it make if you cannot read it? You'll never do things like that. Should be a clear, simple logo. So, yeah, the services page. Let's go to service. I'll do a preview so you know what you mean. This picture's the same size. Well, you have to use pictures which are the same size. Simple as that. See, you can see already here, they are of different size. So this way doesn't work. So what you can do is either use pictures, prepare them from the beginning already as into their proper sizing using an editing program. So I usually do it. I have one picture that I follow and I paste the others on top, save them under another name. And that way I always use the same canvas size. Huh? That means some of the parts will fall away. Yeah. So basically that is the best way. If you use smart boxes, you will not have the choice to do cropping on the picture itself. If it's only pictures, you could actually change those, then cut them in the same way. But the best way to do it really is to prepare them as in the same size. So another thing, I would never advise you to use any pictures that have text in it, because nobody is going to be able to read this text. Never, ever, especially not on mobile. So if we put text in it, we can put the text in an overlay separately over that. See right here, we can just put the text in here. Yeah. So it has to be plain, neutral backgrounds. Yeah? Right. Understand what I mean with plain and neutral? It should not be overloaded. It shouldn't have text in it, and it should have areas that are plain, so that's where you want to place your text, so it's readable. Okay, and third part was how to connect them to other subpages. Very easy. So you see here those texts. Yeah. Go into the edit mode, and you see individual programs, and there's a link on it. Yeah. So right now it is this 83 ID 83. So what you do is you go internal page, and then you select whatever subpage you want it to jump to. So like, for example, programs, whatever. Then you can say open in the same window, new window. In this case, it's just ordinary navigation on your site, would be the same window, and OK, and save. So if you preview, go down here, individual programs, press here, and that's it. Now up here, this is already a bit messed up. That's because of the picture that you inserted, the size. Yeah. You see, what you did here is you you have a picture in here which is it's just the cutout that you used. So first of all, it should be all the size, and but as I said, this is very, very sub-optimal. So just hide this first. This is how it should look. Yeah? And if ever you put any any logo in there, it should be very decent and small. So well, yeah, entire photo in the box. You can actually say what where the photo should be oriented. Yeah? But if the photo is too big, what you can say is here, align it to bottom, align it to center. Yeah, and you can say cover. But if the proportions of your picture doesn't fit the space, you have to settle for some area of the picture, and you have to make them all, as I said, the same size. So I think those are the first answers. Adobe, yeah, I'll have to check how much they will be. No problem, we can do a carousel. Yeah, the shopping for domain, as I said, it's better to let me buy it for you, so we have it in the right place already. That's easier and faster, and we avoid being blocked for several months with one hosting provider. Yeah, I will have to go over it after you did your work. This is all a bit, see, I'll show you what I mean. This is very untidy. See, this is very jumps into your eye. One solution for that, for example, can be if you use a grid. I like to use the option of 10, 80, 10, and then I'll draw this in here. And we look at it, how it looks now. And a lot better already, right? It's more in the middle. So yeah, I'll be doing some changes in the end as well to make it look good, no? But don't use these kind of pictures. That's doesn't fit. You could use this background. You see, also this, for example, no? Just to go into details, you're using a black frame here. This looks like a obituary, yeah? That's very suboptimal. Then this text, we can place it in a different way, no? Anyways, any more questions? Just ask. See you, bye.